Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Beyond the Mortgage, the podcast where we break down complex financial concepts into simple, actionable steps. I'm your host, Tracy Valko, and today we're going to talk about building a strong financial foundation and navigating your budget like a pro. Let's start with the basics. Building a solid financial foundation is like building a house. You wouldn't start with a roof, would you? No, you would start with a foundation. Your foundation consists of an emergency fund, a steady income, and a budget. An emergency fund is a stash of money to cover life's financial surprises. These unexpected events can be stressful and costly. Here's how you start building your emergency fund. First, save enough to cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Second, keep the money in a high-interest savings account to grow your fund like an Equitable Bank tax-free savings account, which was the 2023 winner of choice and features a 3% return and no monthly fee. And third, make regular contributions to your fund. Even small amounts can add up over time. Let's say you did $50 every pay, and you get paid bi-weekly. That's $1,300 a year in investment, and over 5 years, that equals $6,500. With a 3% return on your investment, you would have grown your portfolio to $7,003, meaning you just earned $503 in interest. This is the beauty of compound interest. Now let's talk about income. Having a steady income that can cover your living expenses and contribute to your savings is important. If you're employed, this could be your salary. If you're self-employed, this could be the regular income you generate from your business. Lastly, and the heart of today's episode is budgeting. A budget is a plan for your money. It helps you understand where your money is going and where you want it to go. Many experts recommend saving 20% of your monthly income. According to the popular 50-30-20 rule, you should divide your monthly take-home pay into 3 spending categories: 50% for essentials like food and rent, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and debt payments. Creating a budget involves 3 steps at the core. First, identify your income. Second, list your expenses. And third, compare your income to your expenses and adjust when necessary. Sounds simple, right? But the key to successful budgeting is sticking to it. And that's where many people struggle. So let's talk about some strategies to navigate your budget like a pro. First, automate your savings. Set up an automatic transfer to your savings account. This way, you're saving money without even thinking about it. Although the ideal goal is to save 20% of your income, start with as little as $10 and work yourself up month to month. Second, use budgeting tools. Plenty of apps and software can help you track your income and expenses. Here are 3 popular budget apps that can help individuals manage their expenses. First up, we have Mint. This free app allows you to link all your financial accounts into one place, making it easy to see your complete financial picture. Mint automatically categorizes your transactions, helping you track your spending and stick to your budget. Plus, it provides free credit score access and bill reminders, helping you stay on top of your finances. Next, we have You Need a Budget. The YNAB operates on the principle of giving every dollar a job, meaning you can allocate every dollar you earn to a specific expenses, savings, or debt repayments. This proactive approach to your budgeting can be a game changer for those looking to take control of their financial lives. While YNAB isn't free, many users find that the cost is well worth it for the benefits it provides. Finally, we have PocketGuard. This app shows you how much disposable income you have left after accounting for bills, savings, and goals. It provides a real-time, at-a-glance view of your spending, helping you understand how much money you have left in your pocket for the day, week, or month. Plus, PocketGuard can help you identify areas where you can cut back and save more. Remember, the key to successful budgeting is finding a system that works for you. These apps provide different approaches to your budgeting, So consider your personal financial goals and habits when choosing the right one for you. With the right tools, you can take control of your finances and navigate your budget like a pro. My favorite is Mint because it's free, super easy to use and navigate, and you can access the app from your phone. It comes with a good deal of budgeting tools that lets you create and manage an unlimited number of budgets. When creating a budget, you select from a list of suggested categories or create your own custom category. You simply tell Mint your spending limits, and the app will keep track of the numbers for you. The app will automatically suggest budget amounts based on your spending history in each category. What's more, the system will notify you when you're overspending. You'll even get recommendations for how to reduce your spending. I want to share a success story for one of our mortgage clients, John, who used the Mint budgeting app to take control of his finances. John is a first-time home buyer who was looking to purchase a home in the competitive Canadian real estate market. While he had a steady income and had a decent amount of savings for a down payment, he was unsure if he could afford the ongoing cost of homeownership. After discussing his concerns, we recommended that John try using the Mint budgeting app. Mint allows users to link various financial accounts, including bank accounts, credit cards, and loans to track spending and create budgets. It also provides free credit score access and reminders for upcoming bills. John started by linking his accounts to Mint and setting up a budget that included potential mortgage payments, property taxes, home insurance, and maintenance cost. The app automatically categorized his transactions and tracked them against his budget, providing him with the real-time feedback on his spending habits. Over the next months, John used Mint to monitor his spending closely and made adjustments as needed. He cut back on non-essential expenses and increased his savings, all while getting a realistic understanding of the costs associated with homeownership. By the time John was ready to apply for a mortgage, he had a clear picture of his financial situation and felt confident in his ability to manage the costs of owning a home. He was approved for a mortgage and recently moved into his new home. John's story is a great example of how budgeting tools like Mint can help prospective home buyers prepare for the financial responsibilities of homeownership. By understanding his spending habits and creating a realistic budget, John was able to achieve his dreams of owning a home. Remember, the key to successful budgeting is finding a system that works for you. And as John's story shows, the right tool can make all the difference. Third, review and adjust your budget regularly. Your income and expenses can change over time, and your budget should reflect these changes. Fourth, set financial goals. Whether it's saving for a vacation, buying a home, or retiring early, having a goal can motivate you to stick to your budget. And finally, don't forget to budget for fun. All work and no play can make budgeting feel like a chore. So allocate some money for entertainment and treats. Budgeting isn't about restricting your spending. It's about understanding your spending so you can make smart financial decisions. Building a strong financial foundation and mastering budgeting may seem daunting, but with patience, persistence, and the right strategies, you can navigate your budget like a pro. The journey to financial stability is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about making consistent progress over time. So don't be discouraged. If you stumble along the way, what's important is that you get back up and keep moving forward. When it comes to budgeting, Canadians may face several common struggles. Here are 3 examples. Canadians often struggle with the increasing cost of living, which can make it challenging to create a realistic budget. Expenses such as housing, transportation, utilities, and groceries have been steadily rising, and individuals may find it difficult to allocate their income effectively to cover these essential expenses. Debt management. Many Canadians face significant debt burdens, including credit card debt, student loans, mortgages, or car loans. Managing debt payments while trying to budget for other necessary expenses can be a struggle. High interest rates and monthly payments can strain finances, making it challenging to save or allocate funds towards other financial goals. Irregular income. Some Canadians experience irregular income due to factors such as self-employment, freelance work, or contract-based employment. Irregular income can make budgeting more complicated, as it becomes more difficult to predict cash inflows consistently. This can lead to difficulties in managing expenses, creating an emergency fund, or planning for future financial goals. These struggles highlight the importance of developing effective budgeting strategies, seeking financial advice, and being proactive in managing expenses and income to achieve financial stability. Budgeting. It often seems as a daunting task, a maze of numbers, and a constant reminder of the limitations we face. It's true. It can be tough, even scary, to confront our financial realities head-on. Yet beneath the surface lies a remarkable truth. Budgeting has a power to revolutionize our relationship with money and alter the trajectory of our lives in ways we've never imagined. At a first glance, budgeting may seem restrictive, a set of rules meant to confine us with predetermined boundaries. But in reality, it's a tool that empowers us to take control of our financial destiny. By carefully assessing our income and expenses, we gain a profound understanding of our financial habits, patterns, and priorities. The process of budgeting forces us to confront our fears, challenges, and misconceptions surrounding money. We unearth our deepest desires, uncovering the dreams we've long held captive within our hearts. It creates a space for introspection, where we evaluate our values and align our spending with what truly matters to us. As we delve deeper into the realm of budgeting, we begin to witness the transformative power it holds. We develop a newfound appreciation for the resources at our disposal, cultivating a sense of gratitude for the opportunities they provide. With each dollar we allocate consciously, we inch closer to our aspirations, forging a path towards financial freedom and independence. Budgeting teaches us discipline, resilience, and patience, virtues that extend far beyond our financial lives. It instills in us a sense of responsibility, enabling us to make informed decisions and prepare for life's inevitable uncertainties. By building a strong foundation of financial stability, we can weather storms, seize opportunities, and create a future that is not bound by the limitations of the present. Through budgeting, we can unlock the power to shape our lives in profound ways. We can save for the dream vacation, investment in our education or career, and build a safety net that offers security and peace of mind. It grants us the freedom to pursue our dreams, nurture our relationships, and contribute meaningfully to our communities. So let us embrace the challenge, push past the fear, and embark on the transformative journey. Let us recognize that budgeting is not merely about balancing numbers. It's about transforming our mindset, rewriting our financial story, and opening doors we never knew existed. As we take control of our finances, we take control of our lives. Let budgeting be the catalyst that propels us towards a brighter, more fulfilling future. A future where our dreams become realities and our relationship with money is one of empowerment and abundance. Let's recap what we've covered so far. We started with the importance of building a strong financial foundation, which includes having an emergency fund, a steady income, budgeting, and the 50-30-20 rule. I hope you found these tips helpful and are feeling more confident about building a strong financial foundation and navigating your budget. If you have any questions or topics you'd like to cover in future episodes, please feel free to reach out. We're here to help you become more financially savvy. Thank you for tuning in. Your financial future is in your hands. With the right knowledge and tools, you can build a strong financial foundation and navigate your budget like a pro. Until next time, remember, you got this.